Today is very cold, and the Mahanaso decided to bake you a cake. You know, today the Mahanasos, we are going to bake you a cake, a banana cake. By the way, it's my first time baking this cake, and I hope it's not going to let me down, because right now I'm not using any oven. You know, I'm just using I'm not using oven. So yeah, this is the ingredients minus this one. No, you don't put this one. Okay, yes, I put my eggs. This is my eggs that I am putting, and I'm putting 3, 4, 5, and then put it on the blender. Put it on the blender. These are the eggs, and this is eggs and sugar, and this is the bananas. Yeah, we are still mashing the banana. This is a mixture of eggs and sugar. This is eggs and brown sugar. I put 5 eggs and I put 2 cups of sugar. So I have blended it already. I put it in the blender and I have already blended it. Now these are mashed bananas. I have mashed them already, and I'm going to mix them with the eggs and sugar. You stir it until it's... I'm going to mix this mixture until it's well mixed. And now I'm going to put my... This is my melted butter. I'm going to mix it here. Now, then I stir it until it's well mixed. Now this is hard. And now I'm going to add my flour. This is flour, but I'm going to measure like 5 cups. So I'm going to put 5 cups. Yeah. Let me see how many cups are here. Those are 2. 3. It was 4 cups. It was not 5, it was 4 cups. Yep. Now we are going to stir this one, and before we stir these, we are going to add the vanilla. Vanilla, not a lot, that's enough. And we are going to add half spoonful of baking soda. Just a pinch. You don't have to put a lot. Just put a pinch. Yeah. And we are going to stir it. Just from the bowl to this basin, because I realized that it was a lot. So I had to put it here so that I can stir it very well. So that I can stir it like this. As you can see, yep, it's coming along very well. Now I have to beat it. I have to continue beating it until everything is together. And now we have to add turmeric. Instead of Instead of adding food color, I normally put turmeric because turmeric is more healthier than the food color. Yeah. If you hold me like this, if you hold me like that, yes. Now the mixture is done. Let's put it to a big sufuria. Stop touching that. Okay, so come and mix properly.
Okay.
Oh yes, we have a chef here. KK is a good chef. He knows how to mix. Mix, baby. Mix it. Mix it. Mix it very, very well, baby. This cake have to be very sweet, okay?
Yes.
You're cooking a cake for me?
Yes.
You know how to bake a cake? Wow.
Yes. That's it.
Okay.
Excellent.
Guys, and this is our cake. Oh my god. The cake overcooked. It overcooked, but oh my god. It's okay. We'll still eat it. Nipatie nini, nipatie kisu. Give me a knife. Let's cut it.
It's my birthday.
Let's cut and see. Wait, baby. Wait. It's well cooked in the inside, even though it's burned, but then it's okay. It's nice. So let's try. Everybody in the Mahanasos are going to try the cake.
Yes. I want then my house.
Yeah, try. How is it?
It's a good banana cake.
It's small,
Yes.
but it's nice. I will not pretend with you that it was great. We are not going to pretend to you guys that the cake was great. It was, yeah, it overcooked. It overcooked, but it's okay. It's very sweet. We are going to eat it so much. So guys, we'll see you again in our next video.
So please subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. And if you're done watching, comment down below.
Thank you.